project like this, railway train pollution avoidance on safe track and animal detection using AI and IoT.
Are used in our project. Camera model, ultrasonic sensor, AI algorithm, motor driven model, buzzer and LED, power and power supply.
Working principle. Camera and sensor setup. Camera and sensors like ultrasonic or infrared are placed off the front of the train along the track. Real-time image processing. The camera captures live images and AI model. You only look once. Identify animals or obstacles. Distance detection. Sensors measure the distance between train and train capture. Thank you.
Key features: real-time obstacles and animal detection. Mainly, it is used in IoT-based alert system. Alert system in email.
Battery